Dear friends, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about human anatomy and physiology, diploma first year, and chapter is reproductive system. And mainly we are discussing in the Odia language so that it is easy to understand for all. So first we are going to discuss about the male reproductive system, and the next part we are going to discuss about next video we are going to discuss about the female reproductive system. So what is the purpose of study of male reproductive system, or purpose of the organ of the male reproductive system is to perform the following function, that means to produce or maintain or transport the sperm in the male reproductive cell and protective fluid, that is semen. So to discharge sperm within the female reproductive tract during sex, to produce and secrete male sex hormone responsible for maintaining the male reproductive system. ताले कौन कहिला ये जो मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम व्हाट इज द पर्पज काहे कि हमें पढ़ीबा, व्हाट आर द फंक्शन तार कार्य कौन ये मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम रो और मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन रो ना टू प्रोड्यूस, कौन प्रोड्यूस करे सीमेन और स्पर्म और मेंटेन एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट, produce, maintain और transport the sperm, sperm को transport करे, maintain करे और produce करता है. So with the help of protective fluid like semen. So this is the one function of male reproductive system. So to discharge sperm within the female reproductive tract during sex. So कौन हुए ना ये जो फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ट्रैक्ट को स्पर्म टा को डिस्चार्ज होता है इन द टाइम ऑफ सेक्सुअल रिलेशन. So this is also one function of male reproductive system. What is the necessity of discharge sperm? To fertilization, to fertilize male and female gametes. So it is very much necessary. So to produce and secrete the male sex hormone responsible for maintaining the male reproductive system. Not only produce the sperm but also it produce or secrete the sex hormone to maintain the body balance also. So hormone also plays an important role. So it secretes sperm as well as sex hormone. ताले कौन पढ़िले काहे कि what is the purpose ना with the help of this male's reproductive system, sperm production or maintenance or transportation or discharge to the female reproductive organ or tract or produce and secrete the sexual hormone or sex hormone. So this is the function of or purpose of male reproductive system. Now comes to the organ. Unlike the female reproductive organ or system, most of the male reproductive system is located outside the body. So the external structure include penis, scrotum and testes. So mainly penis and scrotum. कौन कहला ना in case of female reproductive system, organs are internally present, but in case of male reproductive system, penis and scrotum are the external structure. बाहर पाखरे मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन गुड़ाक बाहर पाखरे थाए किंतु फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन गुड़ाक इंटरनली प्रेजेंट होता है. See the figure. Penis, testis or scrotum are outside the body. Other organ like urethra or epididymis or ejaculatory duct or seminal vesicle or prostate gland or vas deferens, these are present internally. So this is the structure of male reproductive system. Now penis, the outer structure. So this is the male organ used in sexual intercourse. So it has three parts: root part, body part or sept, and glans. Root, body and glans. So it is the male organ used in the sexual intercourse. Anatomically, penis has three parts: root, body or sept and glans. And root attached to the wall of abdomen or lower abdomen, which is the cone-shaped part at the end of the penis. The glans, also called the head of the penis, is covered by loose layer of skin called foreskin. This skin is sometimes removed in a procedure called circumcision. So the opening of the urethra, the tube that transports semen and urine, is at the tip of the penis. And the glands of the penis also contain a number of sensitive nerve endings. कौन कहला ना द जो तीनिटा भागरे विभक्त कराला मूल पार्टा रूट मझी पार्टा बॉडी आउ आगो पार्टा ग्लांस ये जो आगो ग्लांस टाको बा हेड ऑफ द पेनिस इज कवर्ड बाय अलग गोटे साइड रे स्किन जोटा को फोर स्किन मध्य कुहा जाय ए फोर स्किन टाको रिमूव्ड मध्य करि देई हबो से जो रिमूव्ड करा जेबा प्रोसेस टाको कुहाउची सर्कमसिजन और द ओपनिंग ऑफ द यूरेथ्रा जो हम पढ़ी यूरिनरी सिस्टम रे मेल यूरेथ्रा फीमेल यूरेथ्रा सो द ट्यूब that transport semen and urine. In case of male, it is a single urethra or not single urethra, single pipe, both for use urine and semen passes. So the glands of the penis is also contain a number of sensitive nerve ending. A glands of the penis re nerve ending गुड़ा को देखिए figure. So see the figure. This is the nerve ending. This is the nerve ending or glans penis. This is the glans penis. This is the urethra. See the structure. This is the urethra. So how the artery and veins are connected. See the cavernous artery, dorsal artery, corpora cavernosa. This is the name of the artery. No need to memorize all these things, but you should try the root part, stem part or the glans. This is the structure of penis. See the penis, it is used in the male sexual intercourse. It has three part: root, body or sept and glans, which is the cone shaped at the end of the penis. Our glans taco at the head of the penis, covered by the one skin, that is foreskin. This skin is sometimes removed, that is called circumcision, or the opening of the urethra. The opening taco, it is used for the both semen ejaculation and urine excretion. Is at the tip of the penis present. Urethra opening is present in the tip of the penis of munore. So the glands of the penis is also contain sensitive nerve ending. The body of the penis is cylindrical in shape and consists of three circular shaped chambers. So these chamber are made up of special spongy-like tissue. So these tissue contain thousands of large spaces that fill with the blood. When man is sexually aroused, and the penis fill the blood, it becomes rigid and erect, which allow for the penetration during sexual intercourse. So the skin of the penis is loose and erect, elastic to accommodation changes in the penis size during an erection. So semen which contains sperm or reproductive cell is expelled or ejaculated through the end of the penis. So when the man reaches sexual climax, when the penis is erect and the flow of urine is blocked from the urethra, allowing only semen to be ejaculated at organism. कौन कहला ना द बॉडी ऑफ द पेनिस इज सिलेंड्रिकल गोल भाया सिलेंड्रिकल शेप सिलेंड्रिक सो सिलिंडर लाइक सो द शेप है सिलेंड्रिकल थ्री सर्कुलर शेप चैम्बर सो दिस चैम्बर इज मेड अप ऑफ स्पेशल स्पॉन्जी लाइक टिश्यू कोथरे तयारी इट इज ए स्पॉन्जी लाइट और इरेक्टाइल टिश्यू. So this tissue contain large space. ता भितरटा फांका स्पेस बहुत अच्छे जोउथरे कि fill with blood. Fill with blood. केते बेले ना when the man is sexually aroused. So how the penis erectile? Now when the penis fill with blood, it becomes rigid or erect. जो ताण हे जो hard rigidity structure or erectile which allow the penetration during intercourse. Sexual intercourse time रे कौन हुए ना पेनिस टा को इरेक्टाइल हो जाए कहीं ना इट फील्स ब्लड ए टिश्यू गुड़ा को बहुत स्पेस था लार्ज स्पेस तो लार्ज स्पेस ले ब्लड फील हो जाए एज द पेनिस फील with blood it becomes rigid and erect which allow for penetration during sexual intercourse. So the skin of the penis is loose and elastic. It is a elasticity property. Loose. So accommodation changes or size or shape is changed. Before intercourse, the size is smaller in size. So in the time of intercourse, it is erect and rigid. Why? Na? The large space fill the blood. So the skin of the penis is loose and elastic, and the accommodation changes in the penis size during erection. And semen, which contains sperm, is ejaculated. Sperm is ejaculated through the end of the penis. End of the penis ru sperm ta ko ejaculate हुए. कितने बड़े? When the man reaches sexual climax. So when the penis is erect, the flow of urine is blocked. Flow of urine is blocked. As it is one pipe, urine is also excreted, sperm is also ejaculated. But in the time of sexual relation, urine cannot come out or excreted out because it blocked from the urethra, allowing only semen to be ejaculated. Allowing only semen to be ejaculated. So when urine is passes, there is no chances of sperm ejaculation. Similarly, when the sperm is ejaculated, there is no chances of urine excretion. So now see the figure. So what is the main function of penis? It has two functions. One function is sexual intercourse, another one micturition. During erectile stimulation, the penis undergo erection. become engorged with blood. Following emission, mixing of the component of semen and the prostatic urethra, ejaculation occur, whereby semen moves out from the urethra through the external urethral orifice. External urethral orifice देखि semen गुड़ा को बाहर को बाहर. Finally, the penis undergo re-emission and returning to the flaccid state. तार जो पूर्व अवस्था को फेरी आसे. So, one function is sexual intercourse. Another function is micturition. The penis also has an important urinary role. Urinary function, like it contains urethra which carry urine from the bladder to the external urethral orifice, where it is expelled from the body. So, परिस्रा जो करियो urinary system रे मध्य पढिछु जे what is micturition. Urine excreted out from urinary bladder to the outside. Now, scrotum, the another external organ of the male reproductive system. So, this is loose pouch-like sac of the skin that hangs behind and below the penis. Penis ro तळकु आ पछकु रहिछि pouch like structure is. It contains the testicles or called testes, as well as many nerve and blood vessels are attached in this scrotum. So the scrotum acts as a climate control system for the testes, that means temperature regulator. For normal sperm development, the testes must be temperature slightly cooler than the body temperature. देखियो छुई देखियो उदा थिबो, सॉरी माने ठंडा थिबो. काहे कि ड्यू टू presence of nerve and blood vessel. Nerve ending and blood vessel are ended in this region. So special muscles in the wall of the scrotum allow it to contract and relax. देखियो ड्यू टू द ठंडा हो गले बा एनी टाइप ऑफ जो टेम्परेचर वेरिएशन हेले एटा को बेले बेले कंट्रैक्शन हो जाय मसल टा को. इट इज ए स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ मसल, छोटो हो जबो स्कॉटम टा. काहे कि ना जेता बेले कूलर देन द बॉडी, स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ मसल व्हिच कैन relax and contract, moving testicles closer to the body for warmth or further away from the body to cool the temperature. So this is the scrotum. कौन पढ़िले scrotum रे? Pouch like structure behind out below the penis. ଆଉ nerve ending और blood vessel रो ending गुड़ा को रही थाए, जे कि क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल और टेम्परेचर रेगुलेटर हिसाब रे काम करे. आउ तारो टेम्परेचर टा स्लाइटली लोअर देन द बॉडी टेम्परेचर. Then comes to the internal structure like prostate, urethra, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, ampulla, ejaculatory duct. So these are the internal structure of the male reproductive system. So testes, in each scrotum lies two oval shaped gland called testes. और ना जो प्रत्येकटा जो टेस्टिस रही टू ओवल शेप ग्लैंड, को शेप oval shaped gland, 2 to 3 centimeter width and encapsulated in a protective white fibrous capsule. Several lobules are contained in each testis. ता भितरे कौन अछि? Lobules, which also called Leydig cells, that produce testosterone. So testosterone is produced by the Leydig cells, is responsible to produce testosterone. Then testosterone किए produce करी थाए? Leydig cell. And seminiferous tubule that produce spermatozoa. See the figure, seminiferous tubule. They are responsible to produce spermatozoa. In most men, one testis is slightly lower than the other. कहीं गोटे टेस्टिस आउ गोटे टेस्टिस टिके तलकू झुलिकी रही कहीं ना प्रिवेंट ट्रॉमा एंड इजीली सिट or do any muscular activity करने. Now the internal organ of the male reproductive system are also called accessory organ. Epididymis. Epididymis is a long coiled tube that rests in the backside of the each testicle. Testicle backside of the each testicle. It transport and store the sperm cell. स्पर्म सेल को ट्रांसपोर्ट करिथाय आउ स्टोर करके रखिथाय दैट आर प्रोड्यूस टेस्टिस टेस्टिस रे जो स्पर्म सेल गुडा को प्रोडक्शन हुए ताको ट्रांसपोर्ट आउ स्टोर करबा पई एपिडाइडिमिस हेल्प करथाय सो इट आल्सो इज द जॉब ऑफ द एपिडाइडिमिस टू ब्रिंग द स्पर्म टू मैच्योरिटी करबा पई मध्ये सहायता करिथाय सिंस द स्पर्म दैट emerge from the testis are immature and incapable to fertilization. Means जेतेबेले testis रे sperm टा तैयारी हुए they are immature, they are incapable to fertilization. So when it is passes through the epididymis, it can mature. So it not only the transportation and sperm the stored the sperm cell but also matured in epididymis. So this is the function of epididymis. Transport, stored, matured the sperm cell. It is a long coiled tube. So during the sexual arousal or sexual intercourse, contraction force of the sperm into the vas deferens. So, see, vas deferens. So, the vas deferens is a long muscular tube. This is a long muscular tube that travel from the epididymis into the pelvic cavity. Epididymis is connected, one end connected to the epididymis, another one pelvic cavity, just behind the bladder. From the vas deferens transport the mature sperm to the urethra. जो एपिडाइडिमिस रे स्पर्म गुडा को मैच्योर्ड हैला से गुडा को ट्रांसपोर्ट टू द यूरेथ्रा. फर्स्ट तैयारी हैला कोन स्पर्म तैयारी हैला टेस्टिस रे सी ट्रांसपोर्ट आउ स्टोर्ड आउ मैच्योर्ड हैला एपिडाइडिमिस रे एवं मैच्योर्ड स्पर्म गुडा को vas deferens रे थ्रो दे की यूरेथ्रा को गला. So the tube that carry urine or sperm to the outside the body in the preparation for ejaculation. So ejaculatory duct. These are formed by the fusion of the vas deferens and the seminal vesicle. The ejaculatory duct empty into the urethra. तले माने ejaculation पाई help करते. Sperm टाको vas deferens उ urethra को नवा पाई help करते. Now urethra. The urethra is the tube that carry urine from the bladder to the outside the body. Already studied in urinary system from urinary bladder to outside. Urethra is present. So it has the additional function of ejaculating semen. But in case of male reproductive system, another additional function of the urethra is ejaculation of semen or ejaculating semen when the man reaches orgasm or when the penis is erect during the sex or sexual relation or in the time of intercourse. So the flow of urine is blocked from the urethra, allowing only the semen is ejaculated at that time. Now comes to the seminal vesicle. So the seminal vesicle are the sac-like pouches that attach to the vas deferens near the base of the bladder. Seminal vesicle produce the sugar-rich fluid, fructose, that provide the sperm with a source of energy to help them move. So the sperm गुड़ा को केमिति मूव करिवो ना with the help of fructose. fructose टा किए प्रोड्यूस करिवो seminal vesicle. So the fluid of the seminal vesicle makes up most of the volume of the main ejaculatory fluid or ejaculate. ताले ejaculatory fluid is made up of fructose which is produced by seminal vesicle, and seminal vesicle is a sac like pouch that is present or attached to the vas deferens and base of the bladder. बुझीगला ताले यूरेथ्रा कौन ना यूरेथ्रा आम जानिछु जे यूरिनरी ब्लाडर रु यूरिन टाकू आउटसाइड को दे दिए, बट इन मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम रे यूरेथ्रा टा आउ गोटे रोल प्ले करे जोटा कि स्पर्म टाकू इजाकुलेट करिथाय बा सीमेन टाकू इजाकुलेट करिबारे सहाय्य करिथाय. सेमिनल वेसिकल कौन ना सीमेन टाकू से जो सॉरी स्पर्म टाकू जो मूवमेंट पाई हेल्प करे, गोटे फ्लूइड सिक्रेशन करे. कौन सेटा फ्रुक्टोज और सुगर रिच फ्लूइड जे कि इट गिव्स और प्रोवाइड्स स्पर्म मूवमेंट और गिव्स सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी टू हेल्प देम मूव, ताकू सहाय्य करे, ताकू मूवमेंट करबा पई ताकू शक्ति जोगे देइथा, इनडायरेक्टली हेल्प करे मूवमेंट पई. सो द फ्लूइड of the seminal vesicle make them volume of the main ejaculatory fluid. Volume टाकू मध्य maintain करके रखते. Now prostate gland. The prostate gland is a walnut size structure that is located below the urinary bladder in front of the rectum. Prostate gland अच्छी gland माने hormone secretion. So the prostate gland contribute additional fluid to the ejaculate, and prostate fluid that also help to nourish the sperm. Sperm टाकू nourish करिया पई refine करिया पई prostate gland help करे. So the urethra which carry the ejaculate to be expelled during organism runs through the center of the prostate gland. Now semen. It is a fluid that passes from the urethra during ejaculation. Composition कौन sperm secrete from all three glands, slightly alkaline, contain nutrient for sperm cell, and it has a molecule to activate sperm motility. So volume of ejaculation केते बाहरे 3 to 6 ml, that is 50 to 150 million sperm per ml. Then sperm, what is the function? To move and carry genetic information to the egg. तारो head part, mid piece part, tail part रही. The larger head, see the figure, head part, mid piece and tail part. So the larger head region of the sperm that contain DNA. Or narrow middle part cell contain mitochondria. Tail part contain flagella which helps for movement of the sperm. So this is all about your sperm, semen and the internal and external structure of the male reproductive system. So thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.